If OneNote is giving you an export error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix OneNote export issues quickly and get your notes saved properly. This is especially useful when OneNote refuses to export a section or notebook to PDF, or when the export process fails without a clear reason. We'll go through the most common cause first, then I'll show you a simple workaround that lets you print your notes to PDF instead. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, check your section tabs and page names carefully. OneNote can run into export problems when a section or page has illegal characters in the name. Look for symbols like backslash, /, colon, asterisk, question mark, quotation marks, less than, greater than, or the pipe symbol. These characters can cause export errors, especially when OneNote tries to create a PDF or save the file in the background. Next, check for trailing spaces or periods at the end of your section names. This is a very common issue that people miss. For example, if your section is named Project Notes with a space and a period at the end, like Project Notes. OneNote may fail to export it properly. Simply remove that extra space or period and rename it to Project Notes. In many cases, that small change is all it takes to fix the export error. If you've checked the names and OneNote still won't export, there's a reliable workaround you can use right away. Instead of using OneNote's built-in export function, use your computer's print pipeline to create a PDF. This often bypasses the error completely and gives you a clean file you can save. To do that, open OneNote and go to the page or section you want to save. Make sure the content you want is visible and ready to print. Then press Ctrl and P on Windows to open the print menu. In the printer list, look for Microsoft Print to PDF and select it. This tells Windows to create a PDF file instead of sending the document to a physical printer. After that, click Print. Windows will ask you where you want to save the file, so choose your folder location, give the PDF a name, and save it. Once the process finishes, you should have a working PDF copy of your OneNote page or section without needing to rely on the export option that was failing before. So the key fixes are simple. Scan your section and page names for illegal characters, remove any trailing spaces or periods, and if export still fails, use Microsoft Print to PDF as a workaround. This method is fast, safe, and works in many cases where the built-in OneNote export tool does not. If this tutorial helped you fix your OneNote export error, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.